Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take care and maintain your rebar. So rebar is a knuckle roller and it's got magnets inside of it. So they are glued in there, and with excessive play and constant clicking and jolting of the toy, the magnets can come out sometimes. You can drop rebar a lot and sometimes that'll do it. But when that happens, you don't need to panic. It's really easy to repair. So when you're playing with it and it pops out, it's usually going to be stuck to another bar. So you most likely won't lose the magnet, you'll just feel it get stuck. And what you want to do is keep it on that bar because it's fitted for this hole. You can swap the magnets around, but it might not make a clean fit. So what I do is I put a very tiny bit of super glue. I'm deciding to use super glue because I know I can do this. You want to use a glue that you're comfortable with, and you want to do this very carefully. If you mess up, you'll get super glue all over the place, so use a glue you're comfortable with. So again, you put a little bit of glue, just a little dab, and you carefully put that in. And you have repaired your rebar. And that's how easy it is to repair. Now even after you glue it, it can still pop out. It's just the fact that it's always pulling on it. One thing you want to watch out for is the magnetic dust or pieces of the magnet. The magnetic dust can get on there and then make it not fit properly, so you want to make sure there's nothing on the magnet. Again, you put a little dab on the back. And there you have it. It's not that hard to fix. So when you play with them like I play with them like all the time and use the magnets a lot, they can pop out sometimes. But it just takes a little bit of glue and you're back at it.